to mount the CompreCell Pouch in the CompreDrive, if you have the HC add-on, start by removing the cylindrical HC jacket from the fluid hoses. For this you need a 14 and a 16mm wrench, and you loosen the nuts on the fluid hoses and on the jacket, and you should only twist the nut on the jacket and not on the hose side. So you should put the 14mm wrench on the hose side and the 16mm wrench on the jacket side, and apply torque on the jacket side. And be careful, since there is silicone oil in those hoses, so please orient the hoses upwards to avoid silicone oil leaking out. And I also recommend putting some paper down to avoid getting silicone oil on your CompreDrive. So once you hear that the nut has come loose and you can hear the fluid draining from the hoses, allow the fluid to drain as much as possible before opening it completely. And be sure to open the top one first, again to avoid silicone oil draining. Then use the cap to cap the hose. And do the same thing for the bottom connection. And plug the hose. And you should also put plugs into the jacket.